7 dark side behind Porsche's grandeur. Do you know them all? 1. Name origin. Porsche is named after its founder, Ferdinand Porsche. 2. Kübelwagen. Before cars, Porsche made military vehicles, like the Kübelwagen. 3. Unique 911. Its engine is at the rear, giving exceptional handling. 4. Porsche 959. The first supercar with advanced technology. 5. 911 GT1. A unique street-legal race car. 6. Porsche and electric. The Taycan showcases Porsche's investment in electric cars. 7. Submarine project. Porsche was involved in a submarine project in the 1930s.